If you're not a big fan of auto dubbing, where YouTube automatically changes the language of any given YouTube video to a different language, you can always disable that. I'm going to show you how to disable that. One, if you upload YouTube videos and you don't want that anymore, or two, if you're a viewer and you don't want auto dubbing when viewing those videos. So let's jump right in. The first thing you can do is open up a web browser like Safari or Chrome, and we're going to go directly to studio.youtube.com. After you've done that, go to Continue in Studio, and we can turn these off for our videos by tapping on the gear icon at the bottom left, and then Upload Defaults. From here, instead of Basic Info, go to Advanced Settings. And if you have that feature enabled in your YouTube videos, you can see it in here. This is a small random channel, so I don't have that feature in there. But if you did, you'll see auto dubbing just unselected. But of course, this is if you're uploading your own videos. Let's say you wanted to turn it off as a viewer. So in that case, I'm going to open up the YouTube app. What you're going to do is go to your settings. So tap on You at the bottom right, and then the gear icon at the top right. After you've done that, all you need to do is go to Languages, and you can see two things. One is App Language pulls from your iPhone or Android, so make sure to set that to your preferred language, but also tap on Preferred Languages, and if anything is selected that you don't prefer, make sure to unselect it. And in my case, I've only selected English United States. This will help prevent auto dubbing. But you can also turn it off on any given video itself manually. To do that, all we need to do is hop into a video, let's say this one for instance, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right, and tap on Audio Track. And here you can see if it's auto dubbed to French or anything else, I can switch it to the one that says original. This is the original language that this video was filmed in this case, English United States. I hope this helps. If this legitimately helped you solve your problem, I would greatly appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my channel and maybe liking this video, leaving a comment. All of those things really help me to be able to grow this channel, and it helps me to be able to provide these videos completely free to you. Thanks, guys.